Klein Tools introduces the most rugged, compact, heavy-duty ratcheting modular crimper on the market for complete terminations. This compact ratcheting modular crimper cuts, strips, and terminates Cat 6, Cat 5e, and Cat 3 cables. The tool crimps both RJ45 data and cabling connectors, as well as RJ11 and RJ12 telephone connectors. The heavy-duty ratchet holds the connector in place for full compression. Its lateral crimp action ensures an even and precise termination every time. A compact ergonomic design makes it easy to use and store. In addition, the lightweight device reduces your tool bag load. For convenience, the compact modular crimper includes the most common wire diagrams on the tool. There is also a downloadable version for your mobile phone. For more information on our compact ratcheting modular crimper and our vast VDV line, go to www.kleintools.com.